welcome. Yeah, we remember the password. Yes, we got the password. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the SFC 15, a podcast in which we talk about stand-up football and cricket. Here is Ariane,
Yeah.
and here is me.
Hi,
Yo,
Shavik.
hi,
Yo.
hello.
Hi.
So
After a long time,
yes, we finally got the
long
password of
time
the password
of the social
of
media
the
accounts
sorry of our
of our
YouTube
YouTube
channel.
channel.
So yes,
And no,
so my
actually,
name is
we were having some legal battles with YouTube due to
YouTube.
our content, so that kept us busy. The legal
Yeah, and
team
there was
advised us not to work.
yes, and they were saying ki, with this views that you cannot have us on you, we cannot keep you on YouTube. Okay, with the views that you have, I guess there's always a steady increase in YouTube review views and all, but you are from 2 years, there is no increase only. So I guess we should terminate your contract with us, or else we'll quit
Your
this.
channel is become like depreciating asset. So yeah, they want to actually shut down our channel. So guys, please save our channel. Okay, hashtag save the channel.
Save the
Please,
channel.
please
Uh,
subscribe. Hashtag
yes.
and use this and comments में बताइए हमको. Please put in your effort. Send it to your people. Hashtag save the channel, guys.
Hashtag save the
Okay,
channel. Hashtag
please save our
SFC15.
channel.
Yes, we are the
Hashtag SFC15. Please,
we are the
we are the
fourth we are the
we are
fourth
the
famous
best.
football podcast in our country.
In Hyderabad only, what in our
Hyderabad only.
country? In
Sorry,
Hyderabad
sorry.
only, we are the fourth famous, and
We are the fourth
please we
famous.
need support. Hashtag save the channel. Tigers को
Hashtag
बाद
save
में
the
बचाना, पहले channel बचाओ.
okay.
ठीक है?
तो अभी
Okay,
अभी
so
बचाने से
bro,
याद आया.
what brings
Yes.
us to the podcast? आज क्या बात किया जाए?
Yeah. So कल ये जब post होगा, that is on 11th, we will be waiting for the most awaited Euros 2020. Sorry, Euros
Yeah,
2021.
2021.
Yes.
Exactly. Yes.
Which is
So finally,
technically
and by
Euros
the way,
2020 only. But
only,
again,
yeah.
yeah.
But bro, this is the first time we will be doing a podcast, like a football podcast, जहाँ पे अपन national teams का competition पे बात करें. All these
Yes.
days we were doing
Yes.
only on leagues.
Yeah.
First time we
Uh,
are talking about national teams.
Naturally, and in this
So
we will be talking about what? We'll be talking about what are the predictions, because we are the biggest predictors of the football.
we are
Uh,
we are the critiques. We are the
we,
pundits.
we are the Sky
We are the
Sports of football.
pundits. We are the Sky Sports.
We are the special one.
Okay.
Uh,
Oh, really?
uh, you are the
We are the special ones. Hey, come on, guys. But I think we're still better than the Sun, dude. At least we tell proper news.
hey, but Sun is yeah, we are better than. But
You're better than
so yeah.
Sun.
So first question. Who do you think will win this Euros?
Oh, you're
Euro.
asking me, or you're
Yeah,
asking the viewers in
No,
the
no, no.
comments?
You. I'm asking you.
I think France are my favorites to win. I mean, that's not my favorite team, but the way that it is set up, I think France should win it easily.
Yeah.
Who do you
Even
think?
I think for some reason I am thinking Italy would win this year.
Who?
Italy.
Italy.
Yeah, yeah.
Italy, yeah, dude. Italy actually is a promising team, to be honest. नहीं,
Yeah.
उनके पास तगड़े players है,
Yes.
and I am not surprised if you say that could be one very big surprise. कि मतलब silently आके Italy के कोई hopes ही
Yeah.
नहीं है, ये लोग तो World Cup भी नहीं खेले साले,
Well,
and then
yeah,
you come to know they are lifting साला Euros
they are like that is a
2020.
perfect underdog story, like perfect underdog story, or for like
And a
I
comeback story.
very good. Yeah, sorry, comeback story, because you're always good. So I was thinking that my
Yeah.
thing is like I guess because I was also pinning. I was before I was thinking before a month ago I was thinking Germany will win, but like
नहीं 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 नहीं
I guess
नहीं
if अगर वो last year रहता तो जीतते थे पक्का Germany.
जीतते थे, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Definitely they were on a
बिल्कुल.
roll, but this year I guess I have like और matches जो वो भी चल रहे हैं, friendlies भी चल रहे हैं. Italy is playing very good. So
Italy has got their form back. Italy has become that wounded lion. जो
yeah,
पहले एकदम घायल
yeah,
शेर टाइप वाला हिसाब है ना.
yes,
So the
yes,
people are angry there that
yes,
they didn't
yes,
play the World Cup.
yeah.
Now
And
the people
this is
want
the perfect way to come back, like the champions of Europe, and they can come back like fuck, okay. And
yeah, that's a proper comeback that came. But there'll be an amazing story also, no?
of
कि
course,
like 2014 में they played well World Cup and all. 16 Euros they played, and then 18 में they didn't play the World Cup only, and 20
yeah.
में again they're playing 21 Euros, and if they're lifting it, it'll be a great story.
And
But I
even
think
yeah, sorry.
You know, but I think if for some reason France बीच में without playing Italy, if they leave कि मतलब quarter semis में कहीं उड़ गए तो I think Italy may have a chance, but otherwise I think France is the strongest team. तेरे को Italy लग रहा है? Okay, now realistically, leaving aside our predictions, which team do you think is strong?
For me, uh, because I was thinking, for me, both Italy, both देख के ही I am thinking it's very strong. Or else we have also Netherlands also is a quite strong team.
Yeah, actually, dude, Netherlands का भी वही सीन है. You know, they didn't play the क्या बोलते हैं अपना World Cup.
Yeah.
नेदरलैंड्स भी नहीं खेला, क्वालिफाई नहीं हुआ, बट इट इज इनका भी मतलब इवन दे विल हैव अ स्टोरी. एंड नेदरलैंड्स के पास भी अभी अच्छे टीम प्लेयर्स है, यू नो, मैथिस de Ligt, फिर अपना ये De Jong और अपना डिपे एंड ऑल. बट डू यू थिंक दे विल गो वाइनaldum? नहीं, हालैंड इज नॉर्वे. नॉर्वे, या. No, but Wijnaldum and all. But do you think they can go all the way? But उनके टीम में कैसा है ना, Netherlands is like all nice upcoming
It's like South
youngsters है,
Africa.
very
South Africa,
promising.
like South Africa, like they are very good, but after a point of time they are like, please come back.
South Africa of cricket, by the way. South Africa, not of
sorry,
football.
cricket. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you should. People get confused.
Okay.
Okay, so अभी तू मेरे को एक बात बता. Now 2016 में Portugal champions. How much of a percentage do you want to give them on a win predictor that they will retain the championship?
Okay. See, I guess there is a percentage ki 30% they can come back with the thing, like they can win back. But I with the क्या बोलते हैं, the curse of every football thing कि जो जीतता है उसके बाद वो next पक्का हार जाता है. So I don't think I have 30% hope कि maybe they can win it back again, but with the team that they have, no.
Okay, just so you know, मैं तेरे को बता रहा 2016 से मेरे को लग रहा, I feel the Portugal team that is currently is better than what team I saw in 2016, because अभी इनके पास Ronaldo तो obviously है ही, but Ronaldo, and dude, this is one good quality about Ronaldo, he never fucking fails in major tournaments also, bro. नेशनल्स के लिए भी जब खेलता ना, साला ऐसा खेल देता, वो रियल के लिए खेल रहा, किसके लिए खेल रहा समझ में ही नहीं आता. एंड नाउ विथ रोनाल्डो दे हैव ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस, दे हैव डिएगो जोटा, ये प्लेयर सब है, तो आई थिंक द टीम इज बेटर.
they oh अच्छा था, they thrashed Israel like 4-0, but again they thrashed Israel.
मारे फ्रेंडली था क्या?
हाँ, फ्रेंडली था. 4-0, ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस 2 goal, Ronaldo 1 goal, and Cancelo 1 goal, so they have bet 4 goals. Yeah, but wow. the first match, no, the first match is with Hungary. Euro. Yeah, first match is but again, let's come to the groups afterwards. But yeah, Portugal ka team. Let's see what's the Portugal team like.
Portugal team.
They have Ronaldo.
Oh, yeah, they have obviously they have Bruno Fernandes. They have Diego Jota. Yeah, nice. ये अपना लिवरपूल का प्लेयर है. Then they have Joao Cancelo.
They have Pepe कहते हैं. I'm like, okay, no, let's not talk about those players. We have Felix, वो भी एथलेटिको मैड्रिड का प्लेयर है.
मैड्रिड का प्लेयर, अच्छा प्लेयर है.
Yeah, Ruben Dias.
अरे भाई, Ruben Dias भी है.
Yes, and oh my God, Andres Silva, Bernardo Silva.
Oh my God.
Sanchez.
Fuck, man. Dude, do you know who Andres Silva is? So Andres Silva is this player from अपना Bundesliga में Eintracht or some shitty team like that, okay? And he was third in the leading goal scorer. First was Lewandowski, 41 goals. Second was these two fellows, Haaland and this Andres Silva, 27 or 28 goals.
Yeah, he plays in some team called Eintracht Frankfurt.
Frankfurt Eintracht, yes, in Bundesliga.
Nobody cares about that.
See, that is the standard, bro. There's 27 goals mark bhi, he's third. And that's what I'm saying. यहाँ पे भैया क्या ही बताएं. So team कैसा लगा तेरे को Portugal का?
Team is good. Like right now when we research on the podcast, it is very good. But okay, I don't know, but okay, let's see other teams. Let's see. Okay, but yeah, the team is good, and also the prelims has been good. But
looks promising.
It's promising and all. But again, they have this did you ever remember like a very famous football tournament जहाँ जो डिफेंडिंग चैंपियंस है फिर से दे रिटेन बैक द सीरीज, एक्सेप्ट चैंपियंस लीग जो 4 साल रियल ने हर ईयर.
नहीं, but this happened, dude, in 2008. Okay, in 2008 में शायद. This was, I think, what, 2000. Spain won it twice. Spain. So Zidane told the statement when he was playing. Okay, so Spain, when they start winning, then they will not stop. करके he told once. So Spain के पास वो players है, David Villa, Iniesta, Xavi, and all these people. No, half of Real Madrid, half of Barca.
बस पास
So,
हो यार.
so Spain won like one Euro, World Cup, and Euro. 3 on
No.
record they won.
That is okay. Like yeah, at that peak they were very good. But did you ever?
Yeah.
Because there's a footballing curse ki agar, okay, right now if you think if you have won this World Cup, the next World Cup you will lose in the first group only.
First knockout stage only you'll go.
Knockout stage
Yeah.
you'll go. So Euros में भी ऐसा हुआ था क्या केस कभी, मतलब if there is did it ever happen कि
Not
one
that
Euro?
I remember.
So
Not that. See, the difference is in World Cup क्या होता मालूम? In the groups, first 2 teams qualify, next 2 go home, right?
Right.
Euros में कैसा है? Euros में कैसा रहता है? First 2 teams qualify, the third place teams है ना, उन सब का मिलके फिर उनका एक अलग tournament होता है.
Right.
So that is how Portugal came last year. Portugal
Yes,
finished third
yes.
in the group.
Yes. I
और
know.
fourth वाले घर जाते हैं. So that way, that curse I don't remember seeing in Euros. I've been seeing Euros from 2004, I think.
Okay.
But मैं अब तक तो ऐसा I've never expected. Like 2004 में Greece won.
Right.
उसके बाद में I never saw Greece.
Yeah, see, that is what.
That was the kind of curse. But they were surprise champions. तो उसके बाद that's it, bro. उसके बाद तो मैं कुछ खास देखा नहीं Greece का. But I'm not sure if there is a curse. But if you think
I guess
like that,
footballing curse only. Footballing curse ही हो गया.
yeah. In all the major tournaments, जो पहले एक बार जीता, it is very difficult to retain.
Correct. उसके बाद उन्हें नहीं जीत
ऐसा
सकते
बहुत
लोग.
कम हुआ है.
अरे ऐसा कैसे? अरे
वो तो है.
सबको चांस देना चाहिए. अभी देखो 2016 में फ्रांस, 2012 में oh shit we are wrong. 2008 में स्पेन, 2012 में भी स्पेन.
12 में स्पेन, वही तो बोला मैं.
Oh sorry. 2004 में ग्रीस, 2000 में फ्रांस, 96 में जर्मनी, 92 में डेनमार्क, and then 88 में नेदरलैंड्स, 84 में फ्रांस, and then West Germany because वो समय
obviously yeah
वो था. But see again, except Spain, nobody has repeated it. कि next year फिर से कुछ अलग जीत पाए.
जीत पाएगा. हाँ. I don't think except for Spain anyone successfully retained. But Spain, that team was havoc. That was
made us fans of
football. Exactly. No, tiki-taka in particular, they taught us what tiki-taka was. And I'm telling you, people say कि Germany, Bayern Munich जो है ना, peak Bayern Munich कैसा strong रहता है.
Right.
If Spain was there, no, that Spain, उसके सामने Bayern Munich या this Germany team was nothing, bro. They were just hitting. They were the best in the world.
Yeah, they were insane. Like with the play, like they had the best defender. They had the
best defenders, the best goalkeeper, the best mid forwards, वही जो अपना midfielders थे, and the best strikers.
And
they had the best.
Just imagine, वैसा ही again. Every time the originators of football, which is England, जिनके एक जमाने में just imagine this midfield. Like at one World Cup they had this midfield: Beckham,
Gerrard, Beckham, and Lampard.
And then and with this midfield they could not, okay, with the England team that they had, the golden England team, but they never won.
Never won it. You know why? So there is this theory apparently कि बहुत ये जब था, so all these people, Beckham, Gerrard, Lampard and all, they were very big figures for their respective clubs in England only.
Yes.
So it was so much of hatred and rivalry कि वो ये हो जाता था. So that is why they always failed. But now if you see the England team, I think England team, although it is not a golden generation, but
no,
how much chance would you give to England? They have good players now.
Again,
they have Harry Kane, dude. They have their
Harry Kane is injured. Harry Kane is injured, na?
Really?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
No. I heard it in one podcast. He's injured.
Don't tell me. भाई पूरा इंग्लैंड में स्ट्राइक हो जाएगा.
Oh no, I have seen a very, yeah.
Oh bro, Harry Kane is not injured. He's fit.
He's fit?
Yeah, he's fit. He's playing.
If he's injured, then please go back.
Then England will drop. They will say, no, bro. Then England will do Brexit from
And
Euros.
again, to be very frank, the first matches with them with England is with Croatia. Remember? So
Yeah.
World Cup semi-final ka
Semi-final ka ye tha.
if England can remember this, like if they can, they remember that gussa that they had, like they lost in the semi-finals, and I think that would be a great match. Like I would not miss that match. Like really, I want to see like how will it be heated, and I guess they will be coming back to that badla. Oh shit, we have to take the badla with this team.
Obviously.
And
But now England team has also improved a lot. They've got a lot of better players. They have because Rashford, they have क्या बोलते हैं अपना obviously Harry Kane, Danny Ings, इतने तगड़े strikers हैं उनके पास. Jadon Sancho, हाँ है. Sancho is there in the team. Then there's this fellow Phil Foden.
Yeah, Alexander, Lingard, Mason Mount.
Mason Mount is there. Correct. Bhai,
बहुत
तगड़ा. They have a good team.
England has always a good team. उनके पास
but they don't deliver.
They don't deliver. They have the best team, like because they also
but
because
last
the
year
league
also
that
they did well.
Yeah.
Last year they did well. They came to semis.
Yes, और उनका तो हर year एक ही campaign चलता रहता है ना. We'll bring this back.
We'll bring this back.
We'll bring this back. We'll at least this trophy we'll bring it again. Never.
But never that happened. Never that happened. Now it is a gold chance for them. Okay, so Ronaldo's won this already. But okay, you say fair amount of chances. I strongly say France because भाई उन लोग का तो मेरे को तो बहुत तगड़ा लग रहा है. They have Griezmann, Mbappe.
Let us see what is the players. Okay, they have Benzema.
Obviously.
They have Mbappe. They have Griezmann, Conte, Pogba.
N'Golo Kante. Pogba, अरे कैसे भूल गया obviously. और Pogba साला वही है, Man United के लिए खेला क्या है, जाके फ्रांस के लिए तगड़ा खेल के आ जाएगा. You remember that goal ना?
Oh God, I
World Cup final.
I remember that goal because I was sitting like you were watching with your friends. I was watching with your friends. I was like, dude, ये goal फाड़ के चला जाएगा ये.
चला जाएगा ये.
Like,
exactly.
They could not. Nobody.
The keeper didn't even attempt. They would have done nothing. Goalkeeper उड़ के चला जाता. That Shaolin soccer style में goal होता था.
From half ground से कहाँ इतना गुस्सा मारा. I'm like, it returned back.
वो भी left leg साला.
And I'm like, dude, what the hell?
It was fantastic, dude.
Very fantastic. But yeah, again, it was a very one-sided match. So one-sided match. Like you knew it. After the first half, ठीक है चल गया.
ये तो फ्रांस ही जीतेगा.
But again, if France can, like France as a team on the papers, they have a very good team. They have a very good team, and again they are coming back with that कि World Cup जीते थे हम लोग. याद है हमको World Cup.
अभी वही swagger में आ
रहे हैं. And the team is also like if the 6-7 players who are like the best players are there, वो लोग बहुत अच्छा खेले हुए हैं, and everybody has done good. So everybody has done good. So they are in good form. It's not that they are not in good form. They're in every good form. And like just imagine in a team, if you have 7-8 players out of 7 different leagues, like like Benzema is from like La Liga,
Real Madrid.
Like they have.
He's from Ligue 1.
Yeah, and they have
Kante is from Chelsea.
Yes, and they have done very good at their respective leagues, and they have been number one in the league, like number 1 or number 3, 4, ऐसा कुछ. So now all these people will come together. So they have a good practice. They are like fit and all. And now this team can because they are so good, they can turn it up. Like again, because they already have this winning culture, which is like they are coming it. So yeah. So So you think? On the paper, France. On the paper, France. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, the looking at the team, looking at the momentum and stuff and all, I think France very strongly. I feel France will win it this time. अगर France निकला, तो मतलब, bro, that is my biggest upset. Honestly speaking.
Yeah.
अगर France तोड़ा, तो भाई मैं तो बोल रहा भाई it's the biggest upset. And if Italy is winning it, then that is the biggest surprise.
Biggest story, like Netflix has to make it.
That is like, yeah. Then it is like that Prime Video or some story ki bhai, how did this happen? That story from 2008, from not qualifying to the World Cup, then to lifting Euros, then that will be one amazing story.
And so that's like the match. Yeah, for that story at least, please people, if you are हमको सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और ये पे कीजिए कि इटली विन हो, so that हमको Netflix save the channel so that we get
Save the
and
channel.
again let me tell you guys, we are making one promise. I guess Anil also doesn't know this. हम लोग हर मैच में let's do this Anil. Okay, let's take
Yeah.
confirmation here only. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, week
Yeah.
by week हम लोग predictions करेंगे matches का कौन
And let's see
जीतेगा,
how right we are.
and then
ठीक
how
है.
right we are.
Done.
Okay,
Done.
so people who are like last time I'll tell you Anil, last time हमने IPL का prediction किया था.
हाँ.
We predicted those matches for a week, and then next week cancel
हाँ.
IPL. So I have a very good track record. Either my team wins or I cancel the bloody tournament.
We'll do predictions today also then.
Yeah, we'll do the prediction. So let us go
For
to
match
the
day one
groups.
we will do.
Huh?
Yeah, we'll go to the groups, then we'll do predictions, then we'll close.
Yeah.
And then we'll ask people also कि भाई तुम भी अपना prediction comments में डालो.
Comments
And then
में
we
डालो.
will sit together. We will. Yeah.
We'll
we
bitch
will see.
about them.
ठीक है. चलो तो पहले भैया ग्रुप शुरू कीजिए आप.
Okay, let's show what 1 minute. Euros 2021. The groups table. Okay, so we have Group A. Italy,
Group A.
Switzerland. Italy, Switzerland, Turkey, Wales.
Okay, Italy and Wales.
Italy and
ठीक है.
Wales. Okay, but Turkey again is also मतलब इतना like they will create an upset in the group, not in the entire tournament.
हाँ, they are
थोड़ा-
capable of doing that.
वो like the
हाँ,
they are
group
the
में किसी का
Koreans.
party they can spoil.
Yeah, Koreans, Japan, वो लोग एक upset खुद के group में कर देते कुछ, एक बहुत गंदा सा upset कर देते group में, and the entire oh shit what happened? And like उसके बाद the tournament is going on, but they upset
But they
something.
just upset the group. Yeah.
Yeah, upset. In Group B we have Belgium,
Denmark, Finland, and Russia.
Finland, and Russia. Will not follow this
Belgium,
group.
obviously.
Will not follow this group. The Group C is Austria, Netherlands,
Netherlands,
North
Macedonia,
Macedonia, and Ukraine.
Yeah,
and Ukraine.
Ukraine.
Of course, Netherlands.
Netherlands, obviously, group winners.
ये जब ग्रुप बना था जब भी वो जीत गए. आगे टेबल में कोई दिखा रहा है नेदरलैंड्स.
नहीं, second है. It is alphabetical, no? इसीलिए Netherlands second है.
No, they have already written down. Yeah, they will win. In Group D, we have Group D is little good. Croatia.
Hey, what is Croatia? Okay.
Croatia,
Czech Republic,
England, and Scotland.
This is okay. Nice group.
This is good.
ठीक
This
है.
is this
Not
will be
bad.
good. Group E is Poland, Slovakia,
Spain,
Sweden.
and Sweden. Okay, Spain ही मारेगा भाई से भी.
हाँ.
Hey, bro, by the way, Sweden would have been fun if Zlatan was there. Zlatan is injured, dude. Otherwise, it would have been fun. He pulled out
Yeah,
of this thing. अगर वो होता तो I would have पक्का watched every Sweden match if Zlatan was there.
Well, what are you saying? I am the god.
I am the god.
I am the god.
There's
Remember
only
that
one
I
Zlatan.
Katlan and was interviewing. They were in the Manchester United like a practice stadium somewhere, and they have all these legends ka players, legends ka photos in their gallery. So they were like, Zlatan, your photo is not here, and Thierry Henry gets a laugh and like, okay, and Zlatan says, you know why? You know why? Why? Because they don't know how God looks like.
This is just Zlatan being Zlatan. But bro, later on, we'll do one podcast exclusively for Zlatan.
Zlatan. And I remember one more thing which he said. I guess he was injured, and he came back again. He came back after like it was supposed to be a 2 weeks.
He recovered fast. Yeah.
He recovered very fast, and they were like, "How did you recover very fast?" I knew because Lions they don't recover like
humans. Oh God, I know. I remember that.
Now,
it was
Group F.
fantastic, man.
Group F.
Group F. This is
God, it's a group of death.
It's the
France,
group of death.
France, Germany, Hungary,
and
Portugal. Man, this will be the group which we have to watch
now
out for.
I am asking you a tough question. Okay, इस group में top 3 बता मेरे को. Group F. How do you think this group will end?
Okay.
Seriously.
Okay, this will go France,
हाँ,
Portugal, Germany, and Hungary.
okay, cool.
And
Chalo.
what
Even
is
I
your
had the
option?
same in mind. I had
Of
the
course.
same in mind.
Yeah,
France,
see,
Portugal, Germany, and Hungary.
Hungary.
अगर हंगरी किसी एक को अपसेट किया, ब्रो, then
Then
तो फिर मतलब
then I
it
guess
is
उनके
next
ऊपर बनना चाहिए पर Netflix में documentary. How did they do that? How did you do that,
level.
sir? Because
वो एक देखें.
yeah.
So we'll do match day one predictions.
Yeah, let's go with matches. So we have okay. What do you think about our prediction is in the as a respective teams, I am supporting Italy and I'm think Italy, and on the papers I'm thinking France has a good chance. Sorry, has a good chance to win this. Anil, what is your prediction? Who will win this?
France.
France. On the paper also France, and your option
Everything.
also
France.
is
Tan man dhan se France.
Salman then say France. He's a French. Zidane will be very happy with you. So yeah.
I am
let's go.
thinking France, but if Italy win, then it will be one of the best, not underdog, but comeback story.
Comeback
But
story,
I
dude, one of
still
the-
think,
I-
yeah, but
with
France
the
मारेगा
players,
लग रहा है.
yeah, with the players France has right now. When I saw this, I'm like, yeah, it's a little difficult, but yeah, football again, you can do
Yeah.
anything. So
Yes.
the first match is tomorrow, and that is our day. आज हम लोग shoot करें तो कल podcast कल release होगा. So Turkey versus Italy. Let's write
Obviously
it down.
Italy.
Turkey versus Italy. Who do you think who will win?
Italy.
Italy? Oh, of course. Why am I
Of
writing
course.
this?
Yeah.
But okay, just give me a minute.
Sure.
Okay, so Turkey versus Italy. Italy. My vote also goes to Italy.
Italy. Yeah.
Of course. And then we have Wales versus Switzerland. Nobody cares.
Wales.
Nobody cares.
Wales.
Dude, will you be watching it? It is at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
No.
Not leaving
No.
my office for.
No, not
Okay.
at all.
Then we have Denmark versus Finland.
It will be draw, bro. कोई भी जीते. I don't even care for that. वो क्या ही prediction करे उसको.
इसका क्या है prediction?
हाँ.
Belgium
इसका
versus
क्या ही
Russia.
करे. Belgium.
Okay, so Saturday हो गया. अब हमारा weekend एकदम chill हो गया. उसके बाद the actual weekend starts. England versus Croatia. I want England to win. I want England to win.
Even I want England to win. I want England to win 2-0. Harry Kane
Harry Kane. And they should be like,
Paka.
oh, they should take like that
एकदम
badla,
vengeance वाला.
like how
Yeah.
Netherlands took badla on Spain after that
Spain,
fight.
yeah, something
I
like
want,
that.
I
Yeah.
want something that England fire. Like, hey, they have a there's a good team. I need the first tournament. मतलब देखो, the first 4 matches are very dull. So this can bring the
Yeah.
spark and also some
Spark.
viewers for us. So
Channel.
then we have Austria versus North Macedonia. Nobody's watching.
भैया. Yeah.
Yes, tell just for a sake Austria.
Austria, चलो भैया, चलो, just for the sake.
Because they started World War I. So, okay, then we have Netherlands versus Ukraine. Of course, Netherlands.
Of course, Netherlands.
Why
Of
have
course,
we-
Netherlands.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then we have Scotland versus Czech Republic.
Check.
Czech Republic. Okay. Then we have Poland versus Slovakia.
Poland, dude.
Poland.
Hmm.
We are also going with Poland. Spain versus Sweden.
Yeah, Lewandowski है उसमें.
Yeah,
Spain, obvious Spain मारेगा.
Spain.
हाँ, Spain.
Hungary versus Portugal. Of
भाई ये
course,
तो Portugal ही
Of
मारना
course,
चाहिए.
Portugal.
Until अगर Hungary
And-
कुछ तगड़ा सा upset नहीं
अगर
करना चाह
if it
रहा है.
if it upsets, I get the Times of India headline. It's not Portugal loss. It's Ronaldo loses.
Ronaldo loses
Ronaldo
against Hungary.
loses. Is
Hey,
Ronaldo?
but that is pretty much the case.
Yeah.
Last time Spain भी जीता, it was Spain versus Ronaldo.
So
It
Spain
was not
Ronaldo, no?
versus-
Like how much can वो टांगों में और कितना जान और कितना दूर से फ्री किक मारोगे उसको मतलब I guess
हाँ,
there should be a limit after
बड़ा-
which I
yes.
guess and see this is what happens like we are expecting him to hit a free kick every time.
Every time score
I know.
a goal every
Yeah.
time. Yeah,
Every
yeah.
time like I know he's good but dude that guy is there. It's like how can you beat that guy? But
इतना
yeah,
भी
but
नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा
इतना भी नहीं,
expectation.
बहुत ज्यादा
I know.
and But yeah, it's like, and then we have the then
The
we
best
have a
match.
very good match, France versus Germany.
France, dude.
France,
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 I think this will be like 1-0 or 2-1 kind of, but
yeah,
France maar dega.
France Madega.
No,
I guess
because Germany is like out of tune right now. It is like Bayern
yeah,
Munich only, thoda shaky
right, for a
types.
shaky one.
Champions League. Yeah,
So Bayern Munich
I
is
think
Germany,
France.
Germany
France,
is Bayern Munich. So there is no big
Bayern
difference.
Munich, obviously.
There is no
Yeah,
difference.
and like France is also PSG, no?
Of course, yeah.
So it is like that only.
लोग 50,000 साल से खुद
It's,
का लीग जीत रहे हैं वो लोग. But oh, this year they lost.
this year they lost. This year they lost. They lost by 1 point.
1 point. Leon won.
नहीं नहीं Lille LILLE some team है Lyon did win. हाँ LILLE करके एक टीम है वो जीत गया 1 point से they won.
It's like lovely professional university. मतलब ये लिल्ली वाले भी जीत रहे हैं यार. मतलब क्या है यार.
हाँ अब जीते हैं भाई 1 point से जीते वो लोग.
But yeah.
But they won deservedly.
But
They won.
really, it was like nobody watches that
League One.
That League One. Nobody watches. Like at the end, you were like, oh, PSG didn't win. Like how was this possible?
Oh, okay, that is surprising. Which team win? That is not. PSG didn't win. That was the news.
Okay,
yeah, I agree.
Yeah. So okay, we got the predictions. So let's see what will happen. So yeah, that's it from our side right now. So thank you, Anil.
Hey, can we give like quick 2 minutes? Hey, bro, one only question.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
Only one question. Can Messi win Copa America at least this time? I just want that question and then we'll close the podcast. Can Argentina win? At least this time, Copa America.
Yeah, for Netflix, yes. But for paper on the but after the last year debacle, and no, I guess they should like I guess if they say is, after this Maradona will really, will really rest in peace. So they, maybe that can trigger them to win, but with the team that they have, like no.
Yeah, team is struggling. It's just a one man.
Yeah, one man. Yeah. How much that one man kitna kar sakega matlab.
But I want them to win, obviously. Greed.
Of course. Yeah.
But deep down, even I know that they are not the favorites.
The favorites.
And maybe it is difficult. Okay. So, okay, chalo, let's see how it is. So we'll try.
But also, Copa. I'll tell you because of this, because like Copa America and all. So abhi tak Euros chal rahe, so nobody is paying attention to Copa America. And also one more thing is like usually all the sports apps that you have, they only play on this. They play on this They from 10 years they're playing on this headline key. They want to see a match in which Ronaldo and Messi can come like will be against each other.
Yeah.
उस दिन poster एक अलग level में बनता है, तो hype also is different. अभी because of logical reasons it is not happening.
Yeah,
they are in different league. But then again,
different geography.
You have to see the Sony Live poster, dude. They have made a poster half.
Yeah.
And they're like okay. Then they have a photo of Ronaldo at one side.
Ronaldo.
Euros 2020.
And they have 2020.
And they have Messi at one side.
On the other side.
At least
with Copa.
Poster they're against each other. But I'm like, dude, this is two different series.
Tournament.
Who cares?
हमको viewership, हमको likes चाहिए.
हमको poster पर Ronaldo और Messi. अभी just imagine, अभी भी वो rivalry है, bro. Like, they just
obviously रहेगा भाई. वो खत्म नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा.
They are the biggest players.
They're the biggest players.
But ये लोग नहीं खत्म होंगे. Bro, see, every time they say ना कि Messi और Ronaldo का खत्म हो रहा है, okay, Ronaldo gets a golden boot in Syria, Messi gets a golden boot in La Liga. And like, bro, तुम साला क्या खेल क्या रहे हो साले लोग?
Again,
fucking nailing it.
Constant telling कि, the younger players like Mbappe, Haaland and all, these are like they can be they are the Messi and Ronaldo
next generation. Yeah.
Dude, वो ज़माने में like I was seeing it, like there was a YouTube I was seeing a YouTube video at that time, like Messi was fighting against the Galacticos.
Yes.
मतलब
of that Real Madrid in 2003 that time.
Yeah, अभी जो Mbappe किस टीम से लड़ रहा है ना, there is no like, okay, you're good, but
there's no comparison.
But
what Messi fed,
was in a war.
I agree.
Messi was in a war field with Jose saying कि Pep, you go and kill.
Todo.
Kill. You kill people. It's okay.
Yeah, you kill. Yeah,
kill,
yeah,
kill.
yeah. You
Like,
kill.
just
You can
imagine,
kill.
kill,
I
kill.
will take care.
I'll take care. It's
I,
counter attack. This attacking. I'll take care. I'll take care. Just kill the people. Kill. Matlab, they, they're breaking his nose. They're breaking his legs. They're breaking his like what? And they're hitting him.
oh God.
Like, oh God. Like to be
Okay.
Abhi when I see the match, I just scared me, dude. Oh my God, they would have killed him on the ground.
Yeah, yeah. Seriously. And this guy is short and all. वो लोग साले
Yeah.
तगड़े हट्टे कट्टे.
But
So
yeah, man.
guys, shall we'll make one promise to the audience ki bhai, now we'll do this Euros ka at least regularly every
Yes.
week, after every match day we will check our predictions. And guys, please comment your predictions in the in comments, and subscribe our channel, guys, please. We are
And
battling
on
with
every
YouTube.
week, Sunday or
Hashtag,
Saturday, we will be shooting this. We will be seeing
we'll
our
be
predictions
posting
are
it the next
matching or
day.
not, and we'll posting it. And आप देख लेना if you're interested in this. I know you're too much interested knowing our stuff, but
Please.
but
But
please,
yes,
but we are
please,
in
please,
this
please,
Euros.
please, please, please,
Yes,
please do that. Okay.
please
Yes,
do this
we'll
for
do
our
that. And
to
hashtag
save football.
save the channel.
Hashtag
Yeah,
save
to
channel.
save the channel, to
Channel.
save football.
Save football.
Please, please, guys.
Thank you so
Okay.
much. Thank you so much,
Thank you so
everybody,
much.
to
Like,
tune in
share,
and
and subscribe.
yes. My name is Shoaib Bhattacharya. He is Anil Anand. Our Instagram handles will be
Good
on the
man.
description and also in the video somewhere. So please do check out our work also, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Please, please, please. Let's have a great